Hello draw friends! In this video we're going to create a wonderful heart that holds a diamond inside it with a really cool fold to make. It's a super nice gift for someone we care about. We start by folding the paper right in the middle, making sure the fold is straight. Then we fold both halves of this fold, one forward and the other backward. Now I simply open one of the folds and adjust the paper as shown in the video. Like this. Now with the paper folded, I'll begin to mark the shape of a heart with this pink marker, half above and half below the fold. Now I open the paper and here I'll begin to create the inner part of the heart. I draw these parts of the heart on the inside of the fold. And now I'll start to make our diamond. It's like a jewel. And I make the lines of the diamond here. They're very easy to do, just straight lines. I draw 3 triangles on the top part of the diamond. Just 2 lines inside, and I make the ground of the diamond too. Now I'll write for you on top of the diamond, because it's a gift for someone you like a lot. Now I'll begin to draw the strong lines with colored markers. Be very careful to make these lines look nice. So you have to pay a lot of attention here. I use this red marker to do the heart. And I could use a black marker too, but sometimes the colored marker gives the best effect on the final draw. The diamond I'll do with a blue marker. Of course, these colors, they depend on your creativity. Yeah? I'm using the colors I like and I think they represent what I'm drawing best, but I think you can use the color you want here. And you see how I make the lines from the beginning to the end in one line, one straight line with my arm. Now for the ground of the diamond, I make it look like a velvet fabric. You can do it in brown or orange. Something like a fur, I don't know. choose a purple mark to do the word here for you, an exclamation mark. And now we'll begin to color. Let's color and have fun. I just made these stars here to end it. Some really cool effects. And after this, some lines around the diamond. And then we will color it.